Welcome back on the 28th of March 2025, and it's gonna look like it's turning into a rainy day, so I'll just give you a quick look around what I've been doing today. As you can see, I've covered this area in calcium, get some more fertiliser for it as well. The weeds are dying off. I did poison them about 10 days ago and they've started turning yellow now. Around on this side here, I've been putting this netting up today, this cage, and the runny beans are growing quite nicely inside there. They've done quite well for the weather, so they're coming along. So I'll soon be able to take that fly netting off once I get this all pegged down and secure. Then I've got peas ready to go in there. They're actually ready to go in now, but I'm not ready for them. Looking around a bit more, you can see the grass is dying where it was treated. Quite a lot more over there dying off. Around the corner here, the raspberries. These haven't been touched apart from a bit of pruning, and they're growing quite well. Here's the strawberry patch. You might notice a bit of difference there. One of my sons had some turf left over from a project he's been doing, so I'll put it down there today. I've sown these areas with wildflowers seeds, so give a bit of colour down this end. You can't have a garden without colour, really. Plus you can probably eat half of it anyway. Let's go into the gladioli container, and they're starting to sprout up there. Everything else is starting to grow quite nicely. Bulbs are coming up. Raspberry bed, that's starting to come along okay. Strawberries, blackcurrants and gooseberries in there. Lupins are coming up a lot, aren't they? Quite nice. I'll fill some of the dead areas in with strawberries. I think I showed you that last time. Into the greenhouse. Beets and cabbages, they're coming along quite well. They'll soon have to go out. Cucumbers are going to stay in this area, but they need moving around against the wire. I should have planted them the other way around really, but I never thought at the time. A few onions growing, but not many. Pretty poor really, the onions this year. Some more beets on that end there, different variety. Salad crop, that's coming along down there. And all doing quite well in here. Over into the other greenhouse. Everything's growing still. Have some more beans. These need going out as soon as possible. A couple of pea plants in there, cucumbers, sugar snap peas down there, they're coming through. These containers, there's one onion and one pea in each container. This area still needs cleaning up and get ready for something to grow. That's where we are with the growing. Over on that side, it's been cleaned up a little bit. A few new trees in over there. Area is cleaned off, ready for rotivating. So that should get going in the next, hopefully, couple of weeks. And this area needs to have a couple of rows in at least for the beetroots and cabbages, etc. So I'll need to fleece them off. I was going to put a net over this entire area, but it's quite expensive, so I spent enough this year with these two. So yeah, everything's growing quite nicely. I'll get on now and try and finish that area off, get ready for the peas. See if we can do it before it rains. It is raining now, but only lightly. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.